Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2025 Bugatti Motorhome instantly conjures up a vision of unmatched performance and luxury on a vast scale. Although Bugatti is still primarily focused on building ultra-performance cars, the idea of applying its engineering expertise and design philosophy to a motorhome is intriguing. With its fine craftsmanship, innovative design, and perhaps a surprising level of performance capabilities for its class, such a vehicle would surely represent the pinnacle of mobile living. A 2025 Bugatti Motorhome's external style would probably be influenced by the brand's recognizable design ethos. Anticipate the distinctive horseshoe grille, flowing lines, and carefully placed lighting components. Though on a far larger scale than their sports cars, the bodywork would probably use cutting-edge materials like carbon fiber to reduce weight and improve structural strength. Although modified for the particular profile of a motorhome, aerodynamics, a key component of Bugatti's cars, would still be important, maybe concentrating on reducing drag for improved stability and efficiency at higher cruising speeds. The overall design would remain elegant and uncomplicated with the seamless integration of access points and utility interfaces. It would be like entering a custom-built luxury apartment when you stepped inside a 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. The best materials would be used to furnish the interior, including exotic woods, soft leathers, and perhaps even unique metal inlays. With separate living, dining, sleeping, and bathing facilities, the arrangement would be carefully planned to optimize comfort and space, all accomplished with meticulous attention to detail. Modern technology, such as custom climate control, smart home automation, and sophisticated multimedia systems, will be smoothly included. Owners would be able to customize every element of the interior to their particular specifications, which would be crucial. Performance-wise, a 2025 Bugatti Motorhome would probably have a strong powertrain, possibly inspired by or developed from their current high-performance engines, even though absolute speed would not be the main goal. This would guarantee smooth cruising and the capacity to manage a variety of terrains with poise. In order to isolate passengers from road irregularities and preserve their sensation of stability and control, the chassis and suspension systems would be designed to deliver an incredibly comfortable ride. Given the size and possible weight of the vehicle, sophisticated braking systems would be necessary. Such a car would have a very specialized market, catering to those who expect the highest level of exclusivity and luxury in every aspect of their lives. In addition to being a means of transportation, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome would make a statement and serve as a mobile haven that embodies the brand's key values of unwavering quality, outstanding performance, and classic design, all of which have been recreated for the world of grand touring. Its very existence, even in theory, pushes the limits of what a motorhome can be, turning it into a mobile work of art.